Hello dear MDCT aspirant, Assalamu alaikum. I am your instructor Nadeem. So I am starting a series of MCQs about the biological molecules. So first MCQs is about the branch of biology that deals with the study of chemical components and the chemical processing in the living organism is called. So option number A, physiology. Option number B, taxonomy. Option number C, biochemistry. Option number D, anatomy. So correct answer is option number C, biochemistry. The reaction in which simpler substances are combined to form a complex substance. As we know that this is the simple definitions of those compounds which are monomers that can combine to form a large polymer molecules by the process of dehydration synthesis, in which the water molecule is removed out. So anabolic process is that process in which the monomers combine to form a large molecule. So option number A is correct here. Question number C, the basic element of organic compound is option number A, carbon. Option number B, hydrogen. Option number C, oxygen. Option number D, nitrogen. So correct answer is option number A. Carbon is a tetravalent compound which have a valency to form branching in different compounds and covalent bonds with different molecules. So option number A is correct here. The part of our body having 85% water. So this is the simple MCQs that's present in federal book. Option number A, bones. Option number B, brain. Option number C, muscles. Option number D is skin. So there is 85% water present in brain, 20% water present in bones. So option number B is correct here. Question number 5 is about the chemical bond that provide the stability to complex carbohydrates called. Option number A, carbon hydrogen bond. Option number B, carbon oxygen bond. Option number C, carbon nitrogen bond. Option number D, nitrogen and hydrogen bond. So correct answer is here option number B, carbon and oxygen bond provide the more stability to carbon complex carbohydrates. The most important organic compound in the living organisms are option number A, carbohydrates. Option number B, protein. Option number C, lipids. Option number D, all of these. As we know that these all are the polymers or macromolecules that are synthesized by the living system. So option number D is correct here. All chemical reaction taking place in a cells are collectively called. As we know that there are anabolic and catabolic processes that can be occur in human body. We collectively call that a metabolism. Question number 8, evaporation of only 2 ml of water out of 1 liter lower the temperature or remaining water will be option number A, 10 centigrade. Option number B, 1 centigrade. Option number C, 2 centigrade. Option number D, 5 centigrade. So correct answer is option number B, 1 centigrade. The favorable element for the synthesis of complicated cellular structures are option number A, carbon. Option number B, hydrogen. Option number C, oxygen. Option number D, nitrogens. So correct answer is here option number A, carbon is the compounds that synthesize the complicated cellular structures. When an electron pair is shared between two atoms, the resultant bond is option number A, covalent bond. Option number B, ionic bond. Option number C, peptide bond. Option number D, none of these. So the covalent bond is that which is shared between two atoms. So option number A is correct here. So question number 11, the molecule which is unstable and is immediate source of energy in cells. Option number A, amino acid. Option number B, glucose. Option number C, adenosine triphosphate. Option number D, fatty acids. So as we know that ATP was the currency of the body, which is made up of simple nucleotide having one nucleotide consists of adenosine at first carbon and phosphate at 5 carbon. So option number C is correct here. Carbon combined with nitrogen in amino acid. As we know that carbon and nitrogen was present in proteins. Amino acid linkage to form which of the following bond? Option number A, glycosidic bond. Option number B, peptide bond. Option number C, CH bond. Option number D, covalent bond. Glycosidic bond was present in mostly carbohydrates. Peptide bond were present in proteins that's linked together by amino acids. So option number B is correct here. Carbon and hydrogen bond was the potential source of energy for different cells. So option number B is correct here. The basically carbohydrates are made up of carbon. Option number A, carbon, hydrogen, sulfur. Option number B, hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen. Option number C, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Option number D, nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen. So option number C is correct here. Simply carbohydrates are called hydrates of carbon. These are polyhydroxyaldehyde and polyhydroxyketone, simply made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, in which hydrogen and oxygen in 2:1 ratio. Aldose sugar are carbohydrates within keto group. Option number B, aldose group. Option number C, OH groups. Option number D, H ions. So aldose sugar contain aldehyde group. So aldose group are present in aldehyde sugar. Question number 15, phosphoglycerol aldehyde that is formed during independent reactions or Calvin-Benzene cycle is a phosphorylated form of monosaccharide sugar belong to which group? Option number A, triose. Option number B, tetrose. Option number C, pentose. Option number D, hexose. So this is a triose molecules that can be produced during the photosynthesis. So option number A is correct here. Glucose in which of the following sugar? So there are two types of sugar, reducing sugar and non-reducing sugars. All monosaccharides, glucose and galactose are reducing sugar. So here is a glucose that's belong to monosaccharides, so these are reducing sugar. And non-reducing sugar contain all polysaccharides and sucrose. The covalent bond between two monosaccharide is bond. Option number A, peptide. Option number B, glycosidic. Option number C, hydrogen. Option number D, diester linkage. Peptide bond were present in amino acid. Glycosidic bond were present in carbohydrate, and hydrogen is an atom. Diester linkage were present in waxes. So question number 18, a monosaccharide that form 5 concerned ring in a solution is called. Option number A, furanose. Option number B, pyranose. Option number C, triose. Option number D, tetrose. So C and D are carbohydrates or monosaccharides, and furanose is a monosaccharides having a 5 carbon ring, and pyranose is a 6 carbon hydrogen ring that present in monosaccharide, mostly in glucose. So option number A is correct here. 5 concerned ring present in furanose. Chitin is an example of A, polysaccharide, B, oligosaccharide. Option number C, monosaccharide. Option number D, all of these. So chitin is a complex polysaccharide that is made up of hundreds of glucose molecular linked together by one for glycosidic linkage. So question number 20, all of the following having unbranched chain of glucose except starch, glycogen, cellulose, chitin. So glycogen, cellulose, chitin having a much branched that were linked by 1,6 glycosidic bond, and starch is unbranched chain. Question number 21, animals obtain carbohydrates mainly in the form of A, glucose, starch, sucrose, glycogen. So animals mostly obtain carbohydrates in the form of glycogen that can be stored in muscles and livers. Question number 21. The breakdown of large molecules into smaller ones utilizing water molecule is called. Option number A, hydration. Option number B, hydrolysis. Option number C, condensation. Option number D, catenations. So as we know that when a bond is breakdown between the two molecules, it requires a hydrolysis process. So and water is removed. So option number B is correct here. The physical properties of monosaccharides is that they are, option number A, less sweet and less soluble in water. Option number B, sweet and less soluble in water. Option number C, sweet and easily soluble in water. Option number D, less sweet and insoluble in water. So they are sweet and easily soluble in water. So option number C is correct here. Monosaccharides are most sweetest in taste and highly soluble in water. Question number 24. Cane sugar is a polysaccharide, oligosaccharide.